Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sokol from RV Electricity. Today I'm going to show you a really interesting demonstration of data that I gathered about the SoftStartRV technology and how it reduces peak starting current. This allows you to use a smaller generator, as small as a 2K Honda inverter generator, to start up to a 15,000 BTU air conditioner on the roof of your RV. I think it's a really interesting technology. Let's go to the video and I will show you what I just found. This is a video showing the peak currents comparing a stock capacitor in a Dometic Penguin 2 air conditioner with the SoftStartRV modification. The left graph shows you the peak current from the stock capacitor. The right graph meter is going to show us the peak current after the SoftStartRV modification. Let's take a quick look. A little too fast to see, isn't it? Okay, so the left meter is going to show us the 52 amp peak current that we get with the stock capacitor. We can see that's in red. The right graph is going to show us the 24 peak from SoftStartRV. And that's the graph in yellow. Now it's a little hard to see, so I'm going to slow that down a bit. Here's our fan running. Right here is going to be our peak. You can see it's going to redline the meter for a stock capacitor. Comes back down to around 14 amperes or so, which is what normally you have with a regular air conditioner running. That's all good. But that 52 amp peak is what causes a lot of air conditioners to trip, generators and receptacles that may have limited amounts of power. Let's go look at the SoftStartRV side of it. You can see, again, it's going pretty fast. Let's do it, slow it down. Here we're at the 4 amp fan draw. It's going to take a lot longer to build up, and it's only going to build up to 24 amps peak, comes back down to around the same 14 amps or so of running. So the difference between the two technologies is you have a very short peak current of 52 amps with stock capacitors, and you have a much longer drawn out time with a lower amperage for SoftStartRV. Now this time here is only 1/6 of a second, and this is only 1/3 of a second, so it's basically happening in the blink of an eye. Let you see that again at full speed. And let's look at it in slow motion once again. Here's the peak current of the stock cap over here. Here's the peak current of SoftStartRV on this side. 52 amps versus 24 amps. Any questions? So here's a screenshot of just the peak current, and you can see on the left meter a comparison of the 52 amp peak that a normal capacitor draws, and on the right part of the meter you can see that we are now limiting it to about 24 amps peak. I think that SoftStartRV is really a great technology to allow you to run a rooftop air conditioner on an inverter generator. It saves, getting a generator twice as big, and it will allow you to run, say, 2 air conditioners on a 30 amp pedestal outlet if you're so inclined. This is Mike Sokol from RV Electricity, and thanks for watching.